Welcome to a transformative journey where we tap into the incredible power of affirmations to manifest abundance, joy, and success in your life. Today, we're diving deep into these powerful law of attraction affirmations designed to align your energy with the life you desire. So, get ready to repeat these affirmations with us and feel the shift as we unlock the limitless potential within you. Let's begin. I embrace the duality within me, recognizing that my versatility and ability to see all sides of a situation are my greatest strengths. I honor my quick-thinking mind, allowing it to flow freely and creatively as I navigate through life's challenges. I trust in my ability to communicate clearly, expressing my thoughts and ideas in ways that inspire and connect with others. I celebrate my intellectual curiosity and remain open to new ideas and perspectives that expand my understanding of the world. I adapt effortlessly to changes around me, finding balance and harmony in every transition life presents. My relationships are enriched by my ability to listen deeply and speak authentically from the heart. I am a seeker of knowledge, and every day I gain wisdom that empowers me to grow and thrive. My light-hearted nature brings joy and positivity to everyone I meet, creating uplifting energy wherever I go. I am at peace with my desire for variety and adventure, knowing it leads me to incredible opportunities and experiences. I thrive in environments that encourage my curiosity, allowing my mind to explore new realms of possibility. My dual nature is balanced and harmonious, blending logic and intuition to guide my decisions. I find clarity in the chaos, using my adaptable nature to turn challenges into opportunities for success. I embrace the depth of my emotions and the strength of my intellect, finding harmony between the two. I am open to the unknown, and I welcome new experiences that lead to exciting discoveries. My presence inspires creativity, collaboration, and joy in those around me. I trust my ability to juggle multiple priorities, knowing I can manage my responsibilities with ease and success. I attract success effortlessly, using my innovative thinking and adaptable nature to overcome any obstacle. I honor my natural versatility, trusting in my ability to thrive in any environment or situation. I am at peace with the flow of life, embracing the changes and opportunities it brings with gratitude. I trust my instincts to guide me toward meaningful connections and opportunities for growth. My quick-witted nature allows me to navigate challenges with ease, finding solutions that others may overlook. I am a natural storyteller, and my ability to share my journey inspires and uplifts those who listen. I am balanced in my energy, harmonizing my need for connection with my need for solitude. I attract abundance and prosperity through my resourceful mind and optimistic spirit. I trust my ability to communicate effectively, even in difficult situations, creating understanding and harmony. I celebrate the joy and vibrancy I bring to every moment, making life more beautiful and fulfilling. I am open to change and transformation, knowing it is a natural part of my journey. My mind is sharp and creative, allowing me to approach every challenge with confidence and innovation. I radiate confidence and charm, attracting opportunities and relationships that align with my highest potential. My adaptability is my superpower, enabling me to thrive in every aspect of my life. I trust my ability to juggle multiple projects with ease, bringing each one to completion successfully. My inquisitive nature leads me to discover profound truths that enhance my life and the lives of others. I honor the boundless energy of my mind, using it to envision new possibilities and bring them to life with purpose and passion. I embrace the harmony between my analytical side and my creative spirit, allowing them to work together seamlessly. My natural curiosity opens doors to opportunities and experiences that expand my perspective and bring joy into my life. I am a catalyst for positive change, using my words and actions to inspire growth and transformation in myself and others. I celebrate the joy of discovery, knowing that every new experience enriches my understanding of the world. I trust my ability to stay calm and composed while navigating life's ever-changing circumstances. My love for learning keeps my spirit youthful and my mind vibrant, unlocking endless opportunities for success. I attract meaningful conversations that uplift, inspire, and connect me with kindred spirits. My adaptability allows me to move gracefully through life, finding opportunities where others see challenges. I honor the balance between my need for connection and my desire for independence, creating harmony in my relationships. My playful energy inspires creativity and joy in everyone I encounter, bringing positivity to all situations. I trust my ability to communicate with clarity and confidence, fostering understanding and connection in all areas of life. My openness to change allows me to welcome new experiences and opportunities with excitement and gratitude. I am a source of wisdom and insight, and I share my knowledge in ways that inspire and empower others. I embrace my dual nature as a source of strength, balancing logic with emotion to make wise decisions. My natural charm and intellect draw positive people and opportunities into my life effortlessly. I honor my inner storyteller, using my words to create meaningful connections and leave a lasting impact. I embrace the beauty of transformation, knowing that every change brings me closer to my true potential. My vibrant energy attracts abundance and success, creating a life filled with joy and fulfillment. I trust my ability to navigate through life's complexities, finding clarity and purpose in every situation. My quick-thinking mind empowers me to solve problems with creativity and ease, even in the face of challenges. I am a magnetic force for positive relationships, drawing people into my life who support and uplift me. I honor my natural curiosity as a gateway to endless growth, learning, and self-discovery. My ability to adapt allows me to thrive in any situation, turning every challenge into an opportunity for success. I am a beacon of light, radiating joy and positivity wherever I go and inspiring others to do the same. My love for variety and exploration enriches my life with exciting experiences and meaningful lessons. I celebrate my unique ability to bring people together, fostering harmony and understanding in all interactions. My intellect and creativity are powerful tools that I use to achieve my goals and inspire others to dream big. I trust my ability to balance the complexities of life, finding joy and fulfillment in every moment. My energy is magnetic, drawing opportunities and abundance into my life effortlessly. I am confident in my ability to communicate my truth with clarity and grace, creating meaningful connections. My dynamic nature allows me to embrace new beginnings with excitement and optimism. I trust in the flow of life, knowing that each moment unfolds perfectly for my highest good. I embrace my ability to see beauty in all perspectives, finding wisdom and inspiration in every experience. My natural wit and humor bring joy to myself and those around me, creating a positive ripple effect. I honor my journey of self-discovery, trusting that every step brings me closer to my true essence. My ability to learn quickly allows me to adapt and grow in any environment, thriving in the face of change. I celebrate the unique blend of intellect and intuition that guides me to make wise and inspired decisions. My relationships are enriched by my ability to communicate authentically, creating deep and meaningful connections. I trust my ability to embrace life's adventures with an open heart and an open mind, welcoming all possibilities. My energy is vibrant and magnetic, drawing exciting opportunities and like-minded individuals into my life. I embrace my love for exploration, knowing that my curiosity leads me to profound discoveries and growth. My ability to adapt and thrive allows me to turn challenges into stepping stones for success. I honor my gift of communication, using my words to inspire, heal, and empower others. My playful spirit brings light and positivity into every situation, creating a life filled with joy and harmony. I trust my ability to balance my intellectual pursuits with emotional connections, finding harmony in my dual nature. I celebrate the endless possibilities of life, knowing that my curiosity and adaptability are my superpowers. My ability to see all sides of a situation allows me to find solutions that bring balance and peace. I embrace the ever-changing flow of life, knowing that it leads me to greater wisdom and understanding. My vibrant energy and dynamic nature create a life filled with love, joy, and endless opportunities for success. These affirmations are designed to align with your unique energy and help you manifest the joy, success, and abundance you deserve. Take a moment to reflect on them, and share which one resonates with you the most. Let's inspire and uplift each other on this journey.